First, let's create a background with orange color using rectangle tool. Now using brush tool, I'll create a scatter shadow on the top. Let's add text warning above that. I'll attach all the fonts and assets in the description. Now create a new layer above brown and make clipping mask so that, if we add some shades, it stays inside it. Using soft brush tool, let's add light shade above it. Below, let's do dark to make it look like a cool gradient. Now I will bring in the burger image from the assets folder. Adjust the size and keep it on the center position, a little bit bottom side. Using soft brush, I will add shadow below the burger. Make sure to adjust the flow of brush accordingly. Now let's add a texture background at the back. I will add that too in the description. Change blend mode to overlay to see the magic happen. Now using ultimate charcoal pencil brush, I'll create a shape to add text above it. Let's add another text on it. Now I will add code on it to convey the message on first impression. Now I will create a new layer, and using soft brush tool, I will add shadow for the cones to make it a bit more realistic. I will clip the shadow layer with burger so that shadow stays only on the burger. Let's add a caution tape above the whole design to make it more attractive. Now I will add order now text above it and copy it for time to cover the whole tape. Holding Alt I will duplicate it for times. Let's do some final adjustments to the design. Please don't forget to press that like button. That will motivate me to work on more videos like this. Thank you.